Time to get pulled over by the cops again. The cartoon cops, that is. I have some lame jokes to these intros to these videos, huh? It's not even a joke. Anyways, this is one of those Suntory vehicles. Came with a can of Suntory coffee, iced coffee, canned coffee. I don't know what it is. I don't live in Japan. Alright, we got some photos of an NSX police car, which might be pretty cool to drive, I imagine. I've actually driven a first generation NSX. My friend bought one. It handles well, that's for sure, but it's so refined. It's kind of boring. It's not a raw experience, so I didn't find it very interesting. Okay, got some specific wheels, I guess. I think these are different than the other casted wheels from this line that I'll show later on. So nice details, you know, little lug nut details and stuff. Little black paint. These triangles will help out though. A little vent, really shallow vent detail there. The black and white separation is pretty good. The police printing looks alright. Here's a little fuel filler. This is just a opaque piece of plastic, and they painted everything, so there's no clear windows, just black paint. Some red lights here in the grill, and then I think there's some silver. Yeah, silver in these little fog lights, silver in these turn signals, and then the lights are down. And we have a little gold printing here of that the police badge for Japan. And then we have this boomerang shaped light bar here on the back. It's nice, big Honda logo there on the red. Two little exhausts molded in, and a blank license plate molded there. Or maybe that is part of the base. It's probably the base tabbing in. But I like that proportionally it looks like a license plate. So that's it. There's little wind-up toys here. And I think for something that came free with a cheap can of coffee, it's pretty cool. Let's take a look at a few of the other Suntory police cars. I'm just going to blow out the black and white ones today. So I have this Nissan Skyline R34. I have a Subaru WRX. And this Skyline, I think it's an R32. So quite interesting. Look how low the NSX is. Even though this is the same line of cars, the NSX is a totally different deformation. It's much lower. Yeah, it has unique wheels, different from the other ones. And actually, I think the light bar, yeah, this light bar is smaller. So that's different too. That's interesting. Well, alright. I guess because the canopy is much narrower. And just for comparison, here's a regular choro-q police car, Toyota Crown. Which coincidentally, I wonder if this is identical, this light bar. You know, Suntory makes iced coffee, canned coffee. They don't have a factory to make toys. So it wouldn't surprise me at all if maybe choro-q makes these for Suntory. Let's take a look at this other light bar. Are those the same mold? I don't know. It's hard to say. The color is obviously different. No, I think they actually are different molds. Oh well. So there's a top view for you. Let's get this thing going over here. What cartoon character today? Let's throw up this Japanese baseball player. Alright. To my knowledge, this is it for the Suntory molds. I don't know if there's a regular undercover version of this. I couldn't find a picture of any online. So I don't know. But who knows, maybe at some other diecast show I'll find some other ones. So hopefully that video of these Suntory cars will come up again. Thank you for watching. See you the next time.